about to pull in right now. Cars are running over. There goes Chewy. Kind of look like a gangster.
Out here around with old people. His old ass. Huh? See something, say something. You're not good, these niggas old. Turtle done found the ghetto. 12 o'clock on a Wednesday. Music pumping. I don't even know where the fuck we are. Free pizza. Chicken thigh samples. And gizzards. Slave food. Told him I don't eat slave food. What's really hood? I can't make this shit up.
And they got chicken livers. Exit 13, Tori. Exit 13. And they got chicken livers. How you doing? It's just like Turtle to find a gas station, 12 o'clock on a Wednesday, bottom part of Virginia, with a DJ out here at 12 o'clock on a Wednesday. It's the most... Look at that. See? Wednesday, 12 o'clock. I didn't do one of these last time, but let me show you my cabin. Got a fire pit, got a table, Adirondack chairs, and a grill. Fred and Wilma right there. Yep, and Tori down the street. All right, let me show you what it looked like inside. Uh-oh. This is a one-bedroom efficiency cabin, what they call it. So you walk in, come straight in the door, table right there, sofa bed, kitchen, stove, microwave, Frigidaire. And it's a Frigidaire too, Frigidaire refrigerator. And why I like this particular cabin is the bathroom. All the rest of them got tubs and shower curtains. But this one don't. This one nice. And this one also has a king size bed and emergency exit right there. Emergency exit, king size bed, closet. That's it. Simple. Great, man. Don't look bad from the back. See if I can get my shrimp basket. I listen to Doobie Brothers over there. Oh, here across from the Beaver Bar, Dan Kites, pinstripe. That is nice. Check out the detail on the fender, the rims. Yeah, that is nice. Even the dash. Not too much, just right.
Oh, I saw it on.
We got 2 grills going, T&T.
How do you spell Amzor? Is that what it's Z or?
Turtle on the grill with D house. Tori on the grill at his house. Cake Man. Hey. Oh, that's mine, Cake Man. I'll take it. I'm gonna throw that away. It won't blow nowhere. Gas Man.
Yo.
Bullshitting. You know. Tori.
Yeah.
Yeah. Turtle right here.
Yo.
Turtle did the chicken and the burgers and some steak. Sun outdoors pretty quiet today. Uh-oh, come a golf cart. They spend money on the golf cart. Got Olivia here. Ain't seen her in a while.
All right, 1, okay.
No, that's 5. Oh shit.
You know I gotta mention, baby.
Oh shit.
Mm.
Oh, you showing off now.
Oh.
You showing all the Westminster skills. Shut up.
And she went wide right.
She's throwing that at him.
They done gave niggas a golf cart. You already know. We mobile, baby.
I got my driver right here. Got my driver. We the UPS truck. Yeah, they got. I wonder if they had air conditioning there.
Nice.
They parked all the way.
Oh, yeah. God damn.
Got my driver, man. Yeah. Ride around. I got the Uber driver. Bring my RV down here. Oh, that's right. I ain't got none.
No. That's the bitches. You ain't using it.
It cost too much to pull it. My buddy Bob will let me use his, but I don't want to pay that much gas. I'd rather just get the cabin, you know?
Huh?
Hey, Mr. Buttons drive me around. Mr. Buttons drive me around.
I was like, you just started at that.
I'm going down here with Mr. Buttons. Keep going. I'm going with you.
Yeah, we was at the pool. I was at the pool.
He wasn't in the pool.
I was asleep, really. Yeah, that.
That's why he answered the phone.
Yeah, I was all back. Y'all must know about that.
I put my iPad in your tour pack. I ain't feel like carrying it.
Two went back.
Hmm?
Two went back.
Yeah, he was back. Troy? Yeah, he ain't back for a minute. You know,
He wasn't with y'all, was he?
no, he around there.
Oh, he left with his new family.
Oh, okay.
That boy ain't trying to go backwards. Let's turn it off.
You probably got
Turn it back on.
the brake on?
No, the brake, I took the brake off. See?
Oh, okay.
So there it goes.
Ooh. Exciting.
All right. I got a new Uber driver.
Need some power steering now.
Oh, wow.
Got the widow driving. Push the turtle button. No, the turtle button is make it slower.
Yeah, don't nobody want the turtle button. That's the only one I can duck.
Yeah, the rest of them you gotta go over. Yeah, the lady told me this.
Sitting up in my cubby. And I just realized what this is. It's a fire escape ladder. In case I gotta bail out the bitch. That's tough.
Let's steal that bicycle. Let's steal this bicycle right here.
You got a new toy, old man?
Nah, I've been had this toy. I'm gonna steal this bicycle right here.
About to walk to the general store around the corner.
Oh, word? Oh, the bicycle you gonna steal. Okay. What you say, babe?
I was like, all right, so you're saying
All right, babe. All right, love you too.
Now, he gonna come out. The bicycle gonna be gone.
For the music, I wouldn't have known him.
Yeah, ride around this morning on the Tesla. We'll take it back today. We'll see if these cats want to keep it. Everybody give me up $10. We can keep it for the rest of the day. So, see, we can show y'all. Okay, that's me. It's Fred Wilmer. Fred Wilmer there. It's me. Let's ride around. Show you where the crew at. There's D there. Uh-oh, I'm going the wrong way. It's Easy right there.
Hey, man, what's up, Big Pop?
Easy clean his bike. Oh, TJ Special T right there. Gas man right here. And we had some people that they ain't in the pound crew, but they just came down from Baltimore. These are the other cabins. These are the cabins with the rooftop loft on them. The rooftop deck. I guess they're probably pretty nice. You know, they look pretty nice. I've never been inside of one. Morning, morning. Little kick man out here eating. What's going on, Woody?
Good morning.
Yeah, we ride around.
You want some breakfast?
Yeah, I'm gonna come back. All right. There's Woody. His crew. Kick bed over there, Woody. And these are the ones with the TV and fireplace on the porch. That's what they look like right there. They look like right there. And of course, good morning. That's where Turtle with Snacks stand right there. They stand right there. So that's where the crew is stand. And that's basically most of the cabins around here look like that. And we gonna go wake somebody up. Let's see, wake D up. There's ball kind. Oh, it probably is. Oh, they got her ball.